This AI runs completely offline on your laptop. No API key, no internet, and the most interesting part, it's free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's see the technologies we are using in this video. We will be using Ollama, that is an open source software that allows us to install and run AI models locally. And the AI model I am going to use in this video is SmolLM 360 million parameters. This variant is an lightweight open source LLM which size is approximately 700 plus MBs. So don't worry if you have 8 GB or smaller RAM, it will fit easily on your laptop or device. And don't worry guys, this process will not cause any harm to your laptop because I already tested on my laptop. It is an HP Intel i3 laptop which only has 8 GB of RAM and the usable RAM is just 3 to 4 GB. So don't worry, it will not cause any harm to your laptop. I am here at my browser and I will just search ollama.com. And in this site, either you can copy and paste this in your PowerShell or you can download exe file. Choose your Ollama according to your device, but I have Windows, so I will click on download for Windows. Like this, exe file will be start to download. Okay, so here I have exe file of Ollama setup. I will just install. After installing, you have to search Ollama and open it. Then you have to go to new chat. In this, you have to find the models. You can use cloud models, but we have to use local models. So for downloading the local models, we will go to browser back and I will search ollama.com and go to the models and search SmolLM 2. As you can see, here is 4 size of SmolLM 2 and we will be going with the third number, 360 million parameters. Just copy the name of the variant and then go to your terminal. Paste the what you copied and write Ollama run. After it, press enter and SmolLM 2 will be start to downloading. After some time, you have an option to send a message. As you can see, our model is successfully downloaded and it is running. Now, if we have to use SmolLM from Ollama, go to Ollama and you will see your downloaded model here. You can switch your context window as you want. I will just send a message. As you can see, It is pretty good model. It can write pretty good code of Python. But bro, your Wi-Fi is on. Turn off it first. Then use Ollama. See guys, see. It can work without Wi-Fi because it is running locally on my CPU. Also, the speed is pretty good. That's it for today guys. I will be posting and making this type of video in future also. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe and like, and also share your thoughts in comments. If you have any question, then also you can comment.